How to get someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can get someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you open up Snapchat and then you basically come to the chat page, you happen to have a couple of best friends. The way you can remove them is, first of all, you have to understand how they were added in the best friends in the first place. So Snapchat adds someone to your best friends automatically when they determine that you have been exchanging snaps with each other frequently. So when you exchange snaps with each other frequently, what happens here is that you will be able to go ahead and then basically add them as best friend. Now if you want to remove them, you have to use the same algorithm to your own advantage, which means you simply need to stop exchanging snaps. So when you stop exchanging snaps with each other frequently, now Snapchat will automatically remove it, and this process could likely take a day or two, sometimes a week. Now if you want to remove them instantly, what you want to do is long press on it, tap on manage friendship. You have to either block them or you have to remove them as a friend completely and then re-add them again if you'd like. So that's the only thing that you can do. Otherwise what happens is that you have to simply wait until they get removed from your best friends list. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.